If you're considering jumping into Kajabi, you might be wondering, what does it cost and what do you get for the money? Kajabi is one of the absolute best bargains out there in terms of all-in-one online business solutions. This is because they are simply the best and they are competitively priced when you consider all that you get for the money and how high quality and top tier and reliable their service is. So in this video, I want to walk through the basic plan, and there are 4 different types of plans. There used to be 3, now there's 4. Kickstarter, which we reviewed in a previous video. I will link that up right over there. That is for absolute beginners. That is something you can check out if you are absolutely brand new to this and you are just wanting to kind of put your feet in the water. But today we are going to look at the basic plan, and it is $119 a month when billed annually, because you save 20% when you do it that way. Monthly, it's $149. So I always say go annual, because if you can do it all in one payment, you save so much money. But it comes out to $119 a month when it's billed annually. Everything you need to start running your business. So what do you get on the basic plan? First, you get 0% transaction fees. This is what I love. This is another way of saying there is no transaction fee. This is something that Kajabi is somewhat unique to Kajabi. You pay one amount and that is it. You don't pay when you make a transaction. You don't pay when somebody buys your course. And a lot of competitors do charge you for these types of things. So the more successful on the platform you are, the more you're penalized. Kajabi doesn't do that. You pay one payment, and then no matter what you sell, you still just make that payment. So the more you sell, the better deal it becomes. They're kind of rewarding you making a lot of sales, because you're going to pay the same amount if you make 0 sales versus if you make 100,000 sales. So you might as well make 100,000 sales, because they're not going to take any cut from that, which is awesome. Number 2, unlimited landing pages. Now, this is a distinction from Kickstarter, which was only 50. Now, all the plans going forward are unlimited landing pages. Unlimited marketing emails is really important. It was limited to $12.50 over at the Kickstarter plan, and on Basic, it is now unlimited. This is really important because you've got to be able to reach out and market to your list. In online business, the money is made in the list. In your email inbox is where people make buying decisions. So if you can't send out all the emails that you want, then that becomes a problem. That's why the Kickstarter is truly just a Kickstarter, just to get going. Basic is where you really want to end up if you're serious about this. You get 3 products. So what is a product? I get asked this a lot. We're going to jump into what is a product on Kajabi. I've helped hundreds of people get onto Kajabi and get successful on the platform, and I would love to help you get on there as well. You can use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You can try it for free for 30 days. And when you use my link, because it is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission when you use it, you get 3 exclusive bonuses that are the best. Number 1, Kajabi Accelerator. This is the course that I built to help you completely set up Kajabi for success. We dive into online business strategy as a whole, and we dive into your actual settings on Kajabi. This is a great, great course, and it's yours for free when you join. Number 2, you also get my exclusive masterclass, the top 3 mistakes that new Kajabi users make, that I discovered helping 400 people get their start. I've helped 400 people get onto Kajabi, and they're actively on Kajabi today because they've used my link. And for the longest time, I did a one-on-one call with all those people. I learned a ton, and I learned that if you can avoid these top 3 mistakes, then you are well on your way to doing well on Kajabi. And the third thing you get is my 25K course launch email template. All that is yours with a 30-day free trial, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. All right, so you get 3 products on the basic plan. What is a product? A product on Kajabi is a course. It is a podcast. It could be a community that you set up. It could be a coaching package, or it could be a newsletter. So on the basic plan, let's say with 3 products, you decide that you're going to have a course with a community attached to it, and you're going to do one-on-one coaching. So right there, 3 products, and you are good to go for a long time. You've got your course, you've got a community, and you've got a coaching product. That is how you could get started on the basic plan, and that could serve you well for a long time. And if you want to expand beyond that, the very likely scenario is by that point, you're making money. So you can move up to growth, which we'll get to in a later video. All right, you have 3 funnels. What is a funnel? A funnel is a series of landing pages and emails that Kajabi has put together to walk a customer from coming into your email list and buying your product. Funnels could get people to a live event that you do that leads them to a product. Funnels could simply be an email sequence that leads them to a product. It could be any way that you want to put it together. You get 3 of those. And then one of the things I like to tell people is that you can actually build these yourselves. You don't have to use Kajabi's pre-purposed funnels, but those are one-click funnels, which are nice, but you don't have to use those. So in theory, you have an unlimited amount of funnels if you want to build them yourselves, which is pretty easy. And I have a ton of resources on here on how to do that. 10,000 contacts, that is the people on your email list. You can have up to 10,000 people on the basic plan. 1,000 active customers. This means that people who have bought your course and are in your community, you can have up to 1,000 paying customers. Pretty awesome. 1 website, Kajabi AI features, and Creator Studio access. The basic plan is a really good place to start, especially if you have a pretty good idea of where you're wanting to take this. If you're just saying, look, I want to have a course and a community and a podcast, you're going to need basic plan, and it's the perfect plan for you. Or if you're like, I want to have a flagship course, but I also want to have a mini course to serve as somewhat of a tripwire so that I can kind of bring people into my ecosystem that way, this is a perfect plan for you. No matter how you do it, basic is a great place to start unless you already know you want to be on growth. So again, use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi for a free 30-day trial plus all my kick butt bonuses. And if you want to see how to put together a plan to grow your business to 6 figures in the next 3 months, click on this video right here, and I'll see you in that video.